This evening we have invited around about 40 professionals from industry to come and review our final year student project. This is an excellent opportunity for the students to receive what I describe as real-world feedback on their project at a stage in the project development where it can still make a real difference to the outcome. It also helps the student develop their presentation and communication skills, and it helps them to build their own professional networks for when they graduate in June next year.
My name is Annie Maxted. My project is about optimising surgical safety and working with guys in St Thomas's Trust in London. This evening's been really great to talk to industry professionals because I've had a chance to reflect on my different directions of my project and really focus in on what I should be exploring and what direction I should be taking.
I'm designing a valve for the BCD, so this is a buoyancy control device, and it's using scuba diving. It's very simple, and it's not really been altered in the last decade, if not more. I'm looking at automating this, which will in turn cut out 2 of the top 3 causes of death in scuba diving at the moment. Tonight's been really useful. It's given completely new insights, stuff that I hadn't even thought of, for example, the marketability, and just looking deeper into the actual problem of my concept and my design. Give me some new routes to look down, and it's just been really good to get feedback from people in the industry.
My name's Emily. My project is to do with people who put too much pressure on their leg fractures. This evening's been a really great experience. I've spoken to people from different areas of industry, and specifically someone from an NHS trust. It's given me a really great insight into the real cost of what my limitations are and also the real patients that are going to be using the product.
My name is Sol Lee, and I am working on cochlear implant surgery for a major project this year. And this evening I have had reviewed by a lot of industries, which is very useful. They gave me a lot deeper insight to my project.
I'm doing a water purification system for Banbury. Basically, they have a current system in place. Unfortunately, there's still sand and sediment which is getting through the storage tanks and subsequently into their water supply. So my project's basically aimed at getting rid of this completely nasty and increasing water flow. It's great to get feedback from other people and see, making you realise things that you wouldn't have ever realised before. So overall, absolutely great experience.
It's the application of UV in oral hygiene. So there's the germicidal range of UVC at 253 nanometers that is quite effective at killing bacteria, and I'd like to look at how that can be brought into the tooth cleaning experience for the consumer on a domestic scale. I've spoken to 3 people from industry and 2 academics. All have been very positive, sort of sending me in tangents I hadn't thought of, and really expressing how I should focus on the user behaviour and how they interact with the product. Areas I've thought about but haven't quite got to yet, and it's sort of reiterating that these are key areas within the process. So it's not daunting, it's extremely helpful, and I'm very, very much happy with the experience so far.
Well, I think this is a fantastic event. It's the kind of student engagement with industry that we really want to see across the college. It gives the students an opportunity to not only have projects that are guided by industry, but can produce the skills that industry are looking for. They can be creative, they can express the innovation in their ideas. So I think it's a fantastic event.